Shalom, 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 beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden this morning, and I am out surveying the garden, making sure everything got water, checking my leaves. Looks like my purple basil is getting hit with some little pests, so I'm going to have to take care of that today. And my other basil here isn't, so I'm going to have to turn this for a minute here. These are radishes at the top. These are miniature cucumbers at the bottom, and I also have an eggplant or two in this miniature greenstalk. My name is Chevelle. If this is your first time seeing this video or this channel, I hope you like the content. Thank you for coming by. If you like the content, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I make some more content. This is my fig plant here, and this is a brown turkey fig. It also looked like it may be looking a little weird here. Not sure, but I shall come and find out. This is the reason that you should go ahead and inspect your plants every day. I have to come out here and do a little weeding. This is my blueberry, one of my blueberry bushes here. And this is the other one. This is full of blueberries. I'll have this one here. It always do more than one set of blueberries. My onions are finally trying to make it. The weather, let me pull this weed out of here. The weather was not too good this year on onions. So they're finally trying to bub up, and I am excited about that. I come out here and I push the dirt from around them so they can try to do something here. Am I listening? I just threw a couple of seeds in here and they're popping up and they're so cute. It's time for me to go ahead and pull this because it ain't doing nothing but taking up space. And I have another couple of, this was Brussels sprout, didn't do anything. So yeah, that must go. And I have a couple of more peppers to put in here. So the peppers are now getting flowers. I'll harvest some of the peppers off of here. We have a purple basil here. It's not getting any sun because of the peppers. So what I'm going to do is try to replant it and see if I can find another home for it here. And we still have some curly kale here. I think my husband's going to make something today, so he's going to come out here and get these here today. And I am just going over the garden here on my green beans here. I have a few flowers on them coming up, if you can see them. So they're finally start growing, and so my garden is looking so beautiful out here, and I am just so excited because this year was kind of hectic for the fall, and I didn't think it was going to do very well this year, but I guess it is doing its thing. I have a cucumber stuck in here on this trellis of pepper beds. So whenever I have spots available, I just go ahead and stick things in the spot so they can start growing. And I don't have a flower to pollinate this particular squash here, so maybe I have a bee or so to come up and pollinate it, hopefully. We shall see. The only thing we could do is hope for and see. Let me open this up a little bit. I'm going to come back and put a clamp on this so maybe I can get a bee to come over here. So yeah, I just wanted to share some things with you guys this morning and let you know what's going on in the garden. I'm going to get out here and do some maintenance and see what is really happening, and try to get something on these plants to get these pests from eating my basil here. We did finally get the watermelon bed done here, and they are growing great. I just put this over it because I had a couple of squirrels back here in this bed digging, and I think it's because we have officiating here. So when they start growing great, I'm gonna take this off, but we have some fish heads in the bottom of this here, and we're just trying to keep the squirrels or whatever animals, the cats away, but eventually we're going to take this off. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share with you the garden here. I have like 3 sections in here with the garden, and I don't see any cucumbers yet. Just looking every day, I just see a whole bunch of flowers. Nothing is growing just yet, but I'm still excited because everything is growing so well. We also have green beans on this growing, green bean flowers. I have a few pockets that's still empty that I forgot to go ahead and fill, so I'm going to be doing that today. So I got a little maintenance in here. These are my Savoy cabbages I have in here, and I still have a little maintenance I have to do. So yeah, everything is looking nice. A couple of squash growing. Come out here and go ahead and I ate the other two that I had. We ate them not long ago, so I got to come out here and um, do some maintenance with this squash here. So tell me, what is growing on in you guys' garden today, this season? I have a few things growing. I'm going to drop some more seeds for May to put out. So tell me what you guys have growing in your garden. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden. Thank you for joining me this morning. Shalom and happy gardening.